Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Oh my word, it has definitely been a minute. I've just been so busy with work and with church, but I love it. We're out here making a difference. It's the best. But I'm back, and I promise I'm going to really try to post more regularly from now on. Today, we're going to do some boho pillowcases. Oh, I love the boho style. I got these amazing pillowcases made by a local lady here in East London. I'm going to link her details in the description below, so definitely contact her if you want to get some really awesome pillowcases. They are such good quality. I love how they look and I love how they feel. Okay. But today we're going to be adding a little bit of a boho touch to them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get into it. For the first project, I started off by dividing this pillowcase into 4 equal columns. And then to put in my design, I basically started with the first row where I put a line in the first column and the third column. And then for the second row, I put a line in the second column and the fourth column. And I just kept doing that all the way down. Then I used a wool needle and some black wool, and I sewed over every line that I had drawn onto this pillowcase. So basically I was creating the pattern using the wool. I definitely wanted a bit of a boho vibe to this, so I had to create some tassels. I created 4 thick tassels that I sewed to each of the 4 corners, and I think it came out so cute. For the next pillowcase, I wanted to make a tapestry, so I took an old canvas that I had and I just removed all the staples to get rid of that canvas. I later figured out you could just rip it off and it works perfectly well. Then I took my ruler and a pencil and I marked out a little dot after every single centimeter, and then I hammered nails into each one of those little marks that I had made. Once that was done, I took some white cotton thread and I just looped it around all of the nails in order to create the tapestry. Now it was time to finally start with the weaving. So this was a color palette I decided to go for. All I did is I took one color, I cut a piece off, and then I looped it through this little wool needle that I had, and then it basically is weaving just like you would do at school. So you go under the one piece, over the other piece, under the next thread, over the next thread, and you just keep doing that all the way through. As you can see in this video, to start it off, all you do is literally just leave a little piece of wool on the side, and then when you end it off, you do the exact same thing by just leaving a little piece on the side. You can see it much better in this video. Then all I did is I cut those cotton threads off, and I took 2 adjacent pieces and I tied them together with a double knot to keep everything nice and secure. To end off the tapestry, I did the exact same thing with those little wool pieces that I left on the side. I took 2 adjacent pieces, tied them together, and then I ended up using my glue gun to stick them down. Once I was done tying all the pieces together, I just sewed this tapestry onto the pillowcase, and that was it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon for the next one.